Assalamualaikum and hi guys. So today we will continue for the next subtopic, method of variation parameter. So you can refer to your textbook page 107. So before I explain what is the method of variation parameter, so let us recall back what is the solution for the non-homogeneous equation. Solution for the non-homogeneous is y equal to yh plus yp. So before this, we know that in order to get the solution for the yh, you have to solve the left hand side. So now, how to get the solution for the yp? So solution to the yp here, there are two methods. It's either you want to solve by using UC or the VOP. So this one question will mention you have to solve by using UC or VOP. Okay, so UC means that we solve our YP based on our fx. So you have learned before this your fx in term 3 case. So fx in terms of polynomial is from case 1. So if your fx is the exponential term, this one is from case 2. If your fx in terms of trigonometric function, in terms of sine and cos, this one is from case 3. So we solve our yp according to our case. But now, how to solve our yp if you have to solve by using VOP? Okay, in order to solve the yp by using VOP, your solution for the yp is equal to uy1 plus vy2. So you have to solve by using formula. How to get the u, how to get the v. So this is the formula in order to get the u and v. So I will explain later how to calculate the u and v. So this formula will be given in the appendix if you have these types of the question. Okay, now let's continue with the example 1. By using method variation of parameter, find the general solution of y double prime plus 6y prime plus 8y equal to exponent negative 2x. So this question asks you to solve by using VOP. So even the right hand side in terms of exponential, which is from case 2, we cannot solve by using undetermined coefficient. You have to solve by using VOP. We have known that solution of non-homo is y equal to yh plus yp. So the first step, solve for yh. Just the same thing, technique or method that you have applied in the undetermined coefficient. We solve yh by solving the left hand side. Y double prime plus 6y prime plus 8y equal to 0. So solve homogeneous equation means that you have to substitute y double prime become m square plus 6y prime 6m plus 8y 8 equal to 0. And then by using your calculator, find the value of m. So m1 is equal to negative 2 and m2 is equal to negative 4. So roots that we have here is different roots. So how to write your general solution for the YH if your m is different roots? So therefore, YH is equal to a exponent negative 2x plus b exponent negative 4x. Okay, so this is the solution for the YH. So what if m1 equal to negative 4 and m2 is equal to negative 2, and your YH will become a exponent negative 4x plus b exponent negative 2s. Okay, so if you can see the difference is, this one is a exponent negative 2s, but this one is a exponent negative 4s. So there is no problem if you change the position between a exponent negative 2s or a exponent negative 4s. So both of this answer will be accepted. Okay, so I will proceed my solution with this YH. YH equal to a exponent negative 2x plus b exponent negative 4x. So second step is you have to solve for the YP. How to solve the YP? By using the VOP, which is you have to apply the formula. YP is equal to UY1 plus VY2. So there are 4 things here that you have to find. Okay, so what is the U, Y1, V and Y2? So by using formula, U is equal to integrate negative Y2 Fx A multiply W dx, whereby V is equal to integrate Y1 Fx A multiply W dx. So which means that in order to get the value of U, you have to integrate negative Y2 multiply Fx divide with A multiply with W. So whereby the V, you have to integrate Y1 multiply Fx divide with A multiply W. So this one, both things you have to integrate with respect to dx. In order to calculate the U here, you have to know what is the Y2, what is the Fx, what is A, and what is W. For Y2 and Y1, I will explain again after this. So now, what is the Fx? Fx is anything on your right hand side from original question. A is any number beside Y double prime, whereby W is equal to Y1, Y1 prime, Y2, Y2 prime. So you have to calculate the determinant. Y1, Y2 prime minus Y2, Y1 prime. From YH, we can obtain Y1 and Y2. Okay, so from which YH? So from step 1, we have obtained the general solution for the YH. So from YH, we can obtain the Y1 and Y2. So why we have to get the Y1 and Y2? Because we want to substitute to the formula of the YP. Okay, so what is the Y1 and the Y2? Y1 is anything beside A. Y2 is anything beside B. Okay, so we write back our YH. So Y1 is anything beside A, Y2 is anything beside B. So from our YH here, you have A exponent negative 2x plus B exponent negative 4x. So Y1 is anything beside A, so you just close your A here. So this is our Y1. Okay, so Y2 is anything beside B, you just close your B. So this is our Y2. Okay, So therefore, y1 is equal to exponent negative 2x and y2 is equal to exponent negative 4x. So after we have declared our y1 and y2, next you have to differentiate y1 and differentiate y2 in order to get the y1 prime and y2 prime. So why you have to differentiate? Because we want to calculate the w. In order to calculate the w, you have to find the y1 prime and y2 prime. Then you have to substitute to the formula in order to get the w. So y1 prime is equal to differentiate exponent negative 2x will become negative 2 exponent negative 2x. y2 prime differentiate exponent negative 4x will become negative 4 exponent negative 4x. So now you can substitute to the formula of w. So formula for the w is y1, y2, y1 prime, y2 prime. So therefore, w is equal to, so the first row, first column, you have to substitute y1. So you have to substitute exponent negative 2x. Exponent negative 2x. y1 prime, you have to substitute negative 2 exponent negative 2x. So this one we substitute negative 2 exponent negative 2x. y2, we will substitute exponent negative 4x. Exponent negative 4x. And this one, y2 prime, will become negative 4 exponent negative 4x. Negative 4 exponent negative 4x. So cross multiply. Exponent negative 2x multiply negative 4 exponent negative 4x minus exponent negative 4x multiply negative 2 exponent negative 2x. So minus here because the formula for the w is minus. So now you have to simplify the whole thing. So always remember that value for the w is only one term. So you have to simplify to the compact function or the compact number. So what can you do here? You can expand the exponent. So what is the properties? If exponent multiply with the exponent, you have to plus the power. So this one will become negative 4 exponent negative 2 plus negative 4x. So will become negative 6x. Negative 6x minus with minus multiply minus 2 will become plus 2. Exponent negative 4x with the exponent negative 2x, negative 4 plus with the negative 2 will become negative 6. So exponent negative 6x. So both power for the exponent is the same power. So we can simplify the number here. So negative 4 plus with 2 will become negative 2. Negative 2 exponent negative 6x. So this is what I mean by the value for the w is only one term. You cannot have here plus exponent 4x or whatever. It's only one term. So after you have obtained the value for the w, now you have to calculate u and v. So we know that yp is equal to uy1 plus vy2. So y1 and y2 you have declared the above. So now you have to calculate u and v. So how to calculate u and v? You have to refer back to the formula. So formula u is equal to integrate negative y2 fx a w dx. V is equal to integrate y1 fx a w dx. So from this formula, you already know your y1 and your y2 and your w. So you still have to determine what is the fx and what is the a. Okay, so from here, a is anything beside the y double prime and fx is anything on your right hand side. So based on our original question here, what is our a? So a, you have to refer what is the number beside y double prime. So there is number 1. So a is equal to 1. Fx is anything on your right hand side. So your fx is equal to exponent negative 2x. Exponent negative 2x. So now we already know all the terms that you have to substitute in order to calculate the u and v. Substitute y1, y2, a, w, and fx in order for you to calculate u and v. U is equal to integrate negative y2 fx a w dx. So what is our y2? Okay, so refer back to the above step. What is our y2? Y2 is equal to exponent negative 4x, and you have negative at the front here because the formula have negative. Fx, so what is your fx that we declare before this? Exponent negative 2x. Divide with a, value beside y double prime, which is 1. W that you have to calculate before this, negative 2 exponent negative 6x dx. Okay, so now you have to simplify before we integrate. You have exponent at the above and you have exponent at the bottom side. So you have to simplify the exponent. Okay, if you have any constant, then bring the constant to the front. So negative here and you have negative at the bottom. Negative and negative can be cancelled out. So the constant that you bring to the outside is 1 over 2. Exponent negative 4x multiply with the exponent negative 6x. So will become exponent negative exponent negative 4x multiply with the exponent negative 2x. So this exponent will become exponent negative 6x. Divide with exponent negative 6x dx. So you have exponent negative 6x at the upper side and exponent negative 6x at the bottom side. So example here, if you have to integrate x over x dx, so what can we do with this x? We can cancel out the x, so which is you are integrate 1 dx will become x. So the same concept we apply here. You have exponent at the upper side divide with the exponent at the bottom side with the same power. So we can cancel the exponent. So this one means that you are integrate 1. 1 over 2 integrate 1 dx will become 1 over 2x. So this one without plus c. So next, calculate the v. V is equal to integrate y1 fx a multiply w dx. Okay, so what is your y1? Integrate exponent negative 2x fx, substitute your fx, exponent negative 2x, divide with a, which is 1, multiply w, negative 2 exponent negative 6x dx. Okay, so you have to simplify before you integrate. So any constant bring to the front. So you have negative 2 at the bottom side. So bring to the front will become negative 1 over 2. Okay, exponent at the upper side. Exponent negative 2 multiply exponent negative 2 will become exponent negative 4x. Divide with exponent negative 6x dx. So before this, we have the same power. So that's why we can cancel out. But now the power is not same. So you cannot cancel out. So exponent at the bottom side, you have to bring to the upper side. So exponent negative 6 bring to the upper will become exponent positive 6. So exponent negative 4x multiply exponent positive 6x dx. So simplify the exponent negative 4x multiply exponent 6x. Negative 4 plus 6 will become positive 2. Negative 1 over 2 exponent positive 2x dx. So now you can integrate. So integrate exponent 2x will become what? Negative 1 over 2 exponent positive 2x divide with 2. So divide with 2 because we differentiate the power, put at the bottom side. So the same thing, this one without plus c. This one can be simplified more, which is negative 1 over 2 can be multiplied inside, will become negative 1 over 4 exponent 2x. Now we can substitute into yp is equal to uy1 plus vy2. So you have to refer back what is your u, what is your y1, v and your y2. So therefore yp is equal to, so check back what is your u. U is equal to 1 over 2 x multiply with y1. So what is our y1 before this? Y1 is equal to exponent negative 2x plus with v. So what is our v? V is equal to negative 1 over 4. Negative 1 over 4 exponent 2x multiply with y2. So check back what is your y2. Y2 is equal to exponent negative 4x. So now you have to simplify the whole thing. So yp is equal to 1 over 2 multiply with the exponent. There is nothing that you can simplify, you only can multiply, which is 1 over 2x exponent negative 2x. So negative 1 over 4 exponent 2x multiply with the exponent negative 4x will become negative 1 over 4 exponent negative 2x. So this is the solution for the yp. So what is solution for non-homo? Which is solution is y equal to yh plus yp. So you have to combine back your yh plus with your yp. So therefore y is equal to a exponent negative 2x plus b exponent negative 4x plus 1 over 2x exponent negative 2x minus 1 over 4 exponent negative 2x. So this is what we call as general solution of the non-homogeneous that we solve by using variation of parameter. Okay, so if you are given the initial condition, means that you have to proceed in order to calculate what is the value for A and what is the value for B. So that one you have to calculate until particular solution. Okay guys, thank you.